Well, amongst other jobs, I've got to finish cleaning up around the boundary of this paddock here. The inside's got to be cleaned up. I think Big Dutchie's coming here. We're going to run 2 electric wires along here. Go under here. Going to run a wire here and a wire here. In the middle we've got wire. And wire on horses don't mix, everyone knows, but I guess if they push through here like this, or if they push through here, they're going to touch both and it's short out. So I've got to finish this off. This is all going to be cleaned up. This is all mellow and fat hen. I think there's other stuff up here is called terrible, whatever it is. There may be a pick of grass come up. Also got to finish off that stable there for shelter. This is bloody fat hen. Then the next thing I've got to do, and I've been preparing the tree this morning, is to knock this bloke down. Knock this one down and try and drop him through the gateway, which is here. So I got to drop it through here. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Why have I debarked the tree? Because I've got a Husqvarna Rancher with a 20-inch bar, and it's got a sprocket on the end of the bar which tends to clog up and jam when it gets too much of this, particularly when it's damp and green, too much bark. So I knocked that one down. This is, believe it or not, 2 meters in circumference. This one over here's got to come down. That's 2.7 meters in circumference. And this bloke over here, which I'm not even going to tackle, is 3 meters in circumference. And the problem with him is he's going to need chopping down from the top down, because it's right over the top of this container and shed here. So a bit out of my league, that fella, I think. I could drop it, but probably drop it in the wrong spot.